Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to walk through how to use the control center in Salesforce Commerce Cloud, commonly known as CC. It's your central hub for managing Sandbox. In step first, you need to log in into a control center. So for this, you need to hit this URL in new tab and just log in via Salesforce Commerce Cloud credential. I'll provide this article in a description link, so you can just copy paste the URL. I'll also provide that URL directly in description, so you can use that as well. Once you navigate to the URL and you fulfill the Salesforce Commerce Cloud credential, then you're able to see this types of dashboard. So once you select your realm, then you're able to see the list of sandbox. So scroll down that sandbox which you want to be up. Currently you can see my sandbox system is down. So I need to make it up. So I just click on start and they will ask you, do you really want to be start your instance? You just click OK. It will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes to up. Once it's up, then you're able to log in your local sandbox. We have a couple of more options over there like stop, delete, schedule, but currently I have only start permission with a specific sandbox. If you have an admin access, so you can do a more thing in your control center. My sandbox is up, so now we can manage two operations. We can restart or stop our sandbox. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching.